Now that your car is fitted with 9-inch display audio, let's quickly go through the initial process of connecting your Apple iPhone. Would require you to activate the Bluetooth on both devices. You will see a screen pop up. Use CarPlay with Random Car Kit. Activate the same. The screen on the head unit blinks as the connection is established. Once done, bingo, the two devices are now linked to each other. Click on Maps to navigate your locations. Go to Applications, scroll to go for the app intended. Click on Spotify or YouTube Music to listen to your favorite music. Now you are free to keep your iPhone on charge or use it any which way. Choose a wallpaper from the multiple options preloaded or download through the settings icon. And you are all set to enjoy infotainment on the go. Simple, isn't it?